Sesame oil is a pantry staple in many cuisines worldwide. Extracted from sesame seeds, it is prized for its rich flavor and aroma. From Asia to the Middle East, sesame oil has been used for centuries in cooking and traditional medicine. Sesame oil is more than just an ingredient. It represents culinary traditions and cultural heritage. Its distinct taste is capable of transforming ordinary dishes into extraordinary ones. Whether it's a seasoned chef or a home cook, sesame oil elevates their culinary creations. As consumers increasingly seek natural and flavorful ingredients, the demand for sesame oil continues to rise. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of these edible oils, exploring its culinary versatility, health benefits, and market significance. Sesame oil comes in different varieties, each with its own unique characteristics. The most common types are light sesame oil and dark sesame oil. Light sesame oil is made from raw sesame seeds, resulting in a neutral flavor and high smoke point. It is often used for stir-frying and deep frying. Dark sesame oil, on the other hand, is extracted from toasted sesame seeds. This process imparts a deep brown color and an intense nutty flavor. Dark sesame oil is best used as a finishing oil to add a burst of flavor to dishes. In addition to light and dark sesame oil, there is also cold-pressed sesame oil. This type of oil is extracted without the use of heat, preserving its delicate flavor and nutrients. When choosing sesame oil, consider its intended use and flavor profile. This session is brought to you by NavaTies, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, NavaTies has got you covered. Visit NavaTies.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Sesame oil's uses extend far beyond the culinary realm. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices, particularly in Ayurveda. Sesame oil is believed to have warming properties and is used to soothe inflammation and promote relaxation. In skincare, sesame oil is prized for its moisturizing and antioxidant properties. It is rich in vitamin E, which helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Sesame oil can be applied topically to moisturize dry skin, reduce the appearance of scars, and promote a healthy glow. Sesame oil also has applications in hair care. It can be used as a hair mask to nourish and condition dry, damaged hair. Whether you're using it in your cooking, skincare routine, or traditional medicine practices, sesame oil offers a wide range of benefits. The global trade for sesame oil is currently valued at around USD 375 million, with a range between USD 295 million and USD 395 million over the past 5 years. In terms of quantity, global trade stands at approximately 74,000 tons, fluctuating between 67,000 tons and 77,700 tons during this period. The average price for sesame oil on the international market is about USD 5 per kilogram. The top 10 importers of sesame oil include Australia, Canada, Hong Kong, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Singapore, Spain, United Kingdom, and the USA. On the exporting side, the leading countries are Japan, China, India, Taiwan, the Netherlands, Mexico, Singapore, Germany, South Korea, and the USA. Focusing on India's sesame oil exports, the country currently exports about USD 31.6 million worth of sesame oil, supplying around 8,100 tons globally at an average price of USD 3.9 per kilogram, which is far lesser than the world average. India holds a market share of approximately 8.45% by value and 10.97% by quantity. Over the past 5 years, India's market share has ranged between 7.18% and 9.96%, generating revenue between USD 22.8 million and USD 34 million. So if you are looking to import sesame oil at better rates, and better quality, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for Sesame Oil trade about any country directly on the NavaTies platform. The sesame oil market is witnessing several trends that are shaping its future. Consumers are increasingly seeking natural and healthy ingredients, and sesame oil aligns with this trend. Its rich flavor, versatility, and potential health benefits are driving its popularity among health-conscious consumers. The rising vegan and vegetarian population is another factor contributing to the growth of the sesame oil market. Furthermore, the growing popularity of Asian cuisines worldwide is boosting the demand for sesame oil. The organic production of sesame oil is gaining much popularity due to its decontamination benefits. As more people embrace flavors from different cultures, sesame oil is gaining recognition as a key ingredient in cooking. Expanding into new markets, developing innovative product formulations, and promoting the health benefits of sesame oil are some of the strategies that can be adopted to capitalize on these opportunities. How can NavaTies help you in exploring the global trade of sesame oil? NavaTies provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on the global sesame oil trade. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import sesame oil based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to edible oils and seeds industry, or access our world directory of companies, trade, and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report of global sesame oil trade, or visit navaties.com. In summary, sesame oil as part of edible oils has been a culinary staple for centuries, and its enduring appeal shows no signs of waning. Sesame oil continues to captivate food enthusiasts worldwide, from its distinct flavor and aroma to its versatility in cooking and other applications. Its rich history, coupled with its potential health benefits, makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. As the global market for sesame oil expands, it presents opportunities for growth and innovation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Give your comments too. See you in the next one.